Welcome back today. It's me, Beto G. I'm back today with another beat. I'm going to be making Sudan trap beat. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on notification bell below so that anytime I drop my new videos, you will get notified. I'm going to be making Sudan trap beat. Get ready, subscribe. And if I don't go and finish a beat, make sure you watch my back then video so that you are going to understand more, because I might not finish a beat. I might just end the beat halfway, but I have been making beats long time ago by finishing right up to the end. So you have to watch the back then video and watch the Sudan trap beat. Now let's start producing our Sudan trap beat. How to launch your FL Studio. Make sure you put your cursor like this. You right click on your mouse, right click like this, then you click open. But for me, I've already launched my FL Studio, so I'm just going to enter my FL Studio like this. I'll start to make my Sudan trap beat. I'm going to click on add, then I'll click on harmless. As you can see, I've opened my harmless plugin. I'll put my cursor like this, left click and hold my left click button, and then just turn the mouse wheels to channel 6 like this. After doing so, this is my plugin. This is my channel rack here. Make sure you always, when creating beat, always put your pattern mode to here. Always put your mode to pattern. Don't switch it to song mode. When you switch it to song mode, that means you are about to play the beat you have already arranged on your playlist here. That's when you are going to put it to song mode. When you are about to play the beat you have already arranged it on your playlist. So now we put it to pattern because we are working here. So the mode has to be pattern. This is our mixer where we program and mix our beats here. So this is our channel rack here, and this is our harmless plugin. Is it? The next step, we are going to click here on plugin options. Click on presets, and then click on classic. This is our classic. After that, I'll click on my plugin options, click on my presets, then I'll click on overflow. I'll make sure I pick the right plugin that sounds very good. As you can see, this is not sounding very good, so I'm going to change the plugin. I'll click here on plugin option, presets, then glassy. I'll make sure I pick the right plugin that sounds very good. I'm going to change this one again. So I'm going to use this one to start programming the Sudan trap beat. So on 6, I'll put my cursor here, right click, then click on piano roll to open my piano roll. This is my piano roll. Yes. Let me show you how to open your piano roll again. This is your channel rack here. You put your cursor on channel 6, right click, then click on piano roll to open your piano roll like this. Then put your cursor here. When the arrow come out like this, you left click and hold it, drag your cursor to the right to make sure you see how you are working, to minimize the space of the playlist. I will just program first the 1 and the 2, and then press Ctrl and A and press Ctrl and B to copy right to bars number 8 to extend the beat. So let's go. After that, I'll just press Ctrl E or press Ctrl E to highlight my beat, and then press Ctrl and B to extend it right to bars number 8. This is my Sudan trap beat. After that, I'll press Ctrl and E again to highlight everything, switch it down. That's it. After that, I'll click on my channel rack again. Here, I'll click on add. I'll click on add again. I'll click on add here, then pick my boo bars. Now I'll pick my boo bars. I'll put my cursor on it on top of the empty space like this. When the cursor is showing up and down, I will left click, hold it, turn the mouse wheel to channel 7. Then put my cursor on boo bars, right click on my mouse, then click on piano roll to open another piano roll. This is my bass melodies now. This is going to be very simple and brief. First of all, I'll just click. This is very simple for Sudan trap beat. 1, 2 bar, highlight it, then press Ctrl and B several times to reach bar number 8. That's okay. The next step, the hi-hat. I'll just put the simple step to do to make a hi-hat is just put a cursor like this on channel 3, right click, then click fill each step. That's the simple way today that I'm showing. Then on channel 4, right click, then click piano roll. Now at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's okay. That's the bounce today. Now this is our kick. You left click, hold it, just drag your mouse to channel 1, right click, then click piano roll. That's it. That's it. Look at the way I'm programming my kick. That's it. Look at the way I'm programming my kick at 6. I'm programming my kick like this at 7, at 8. That's it. That's good. I'll click on channel 1 here. It's about to boost a bit. I'll click on this effect target, turn the boost knob right up. That's okay. Now on our 6 and 7, I'm going to bring down the 6 a little bit, which is the first melody, the 7 which is the boo bars.